NBC5's James Maloney spoke with safety officials and those braving the weather today. James, how are they handling everything?
Well, Brian and Liz, I'll tell you guys, with those really aggressive winds brings the potential to bring down debris into the road. If you encounter that, safety officials I spoke with today say it's always important to turn around from that scene.
The wind's kind of scary. It's blowing me all over the road. It's like I'm on an ice rink.
A wet and windy Friday for drivers across the region.
Hoping it doesn't get worse. I still have a 2-hour drive back home.
Safety officials encouraging caution, slow down, and stay vigilant.
They might be in a community where the winds didn't hit super strong, and then they might drive into another community where the winds hit aggressively strong.
The situation creating the risk of bringing down power lines. This downed line in Grafton County, New Hampshire from earlier this month really shows what the damage can look like. And if you come across it, let authorities know, turn around, and don't exit the vehicle when near it. And power outages were in the tens of thousands around the region. Heinsberg Fire Chief Prescott Nadeau says being prepared is key.
If they have a charged cell phone battery and lighting in case the power does go out and it's at night, those prevention steps can mean a world of difference.
And when using a gas-powered generator, it should be kept about 30 feet away from your home to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning. One outage case hitting the Irisville County store in Warren. Power was restored in less than an hour, but the loss of computers and the ability to pump gas forced the doors to close.
I had to lock the door because I have no way of cashing people out until lights come back on, and then you have to restock everything and get things started back up. So it was up for about 40 minutes or so. People were not happy.
And I spoke with Green Mountain Power earlier. They said that they had restored 17,000 homes that were without power.